Welcome, space travelers, for the last video. It's been a strange night of real-time set video for RaidersNewEmpire.com. If you're on my site, welcome to my site, and if you're on my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're doing our last little parts here. That part there. I already got that part built. We're working on. They're just two little parts that go in the front, and then we'll stick all these together. Hopefully my webcam will last me just a couple more frames. So, but thanks for sticking with me through the videos. If you decide to sit through and watch every one of them, I've been doing them all night long, and trying my best to compose myself here. It's been a very stressful time with this webcam. Trying to make the best of it, though. I even outlasted the cat. He just laying there snoozing away. But, you know, hey, that's what cats do, right? Thanks for sticking it out with me, buddy. Yeah, I'm talking like a cat. I must be losing my mind. Alright, well, I'm talking to myself through the videos, so maybe that's a good indication. What do you think? Alright. I'm just going to plug right along. It's funny when you look at these things, they kind of look like they'd be bigger, but they're actually quite small pieces that go on the front. It's more decorative stuff than anything else. Alright. Trying to do it fairly quick. Like I said, I don't know how much longer my camera's going to last on me. So, and it's dying. Unfortunately, it's dying. It lasted for a very, very long time. Heck, for all I know, it could be my computer dying on me. I don't know. Both are the same age. Bought them about the same time. Out in San Antonio, Texas. Doing some work out there at a solar farm. And it was a birthday present from my mom. So I figured, what the heck, give me a computer. And I didn't ever expect to be doing websites with it, but hey, there's always room in my life for something new. And I figured, what the heck, something to do. And then I meet my friend David. I like to call him my friend. He's a good man. But as I said before, I've never met him in person, but one day maybe. He told me, do videos. It'll get my blog going. Well, he probably wasn't anticipating me doing these kind of videos, but they're not easy. They're definitely not easy. Okay, yeah. I had two Lego pieces over here left. Now I know what they're doing. They are missing. Nope. I don't know where they went. I don't even know if they went to the set. They had to have, though. I think I'm missing two Lego pieces somewhere in the set. I've been looking around. I think I see where they go, but I'll have to look at the pictures and see. I think they go up top. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure of it. I'm looking at it. Let's see. That is that, and then this part here goes here. I'm really worried about my cam. I keep staring at it instead of paying attention to what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, where does this go? Right like that. Right in there. Nice, huh? Alright, next one. Next and last one. We'll get another speed build here going before the camera completely dies. I know I keep saying that, but realistically I'm waiting for the thing to catch on fire, or burn up, or puff of smoke to come out of it at the last moment. Like the last frame, watch it, last frame I'll go poof, and my computer will catch on fire. Would not be very good, but I wouldn't doubt if it did. Oh, that's not right. Alright. Okay, let's see. Don't want to screw up at the very end. Make sure I get everything right here. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know where those other two pieces of the Lego go. Looking at it now. I think they go on the flaps up there. There's a piece that looks like it'd be the place for them. I do want to, I know I said this just a minute ago, I want to thank everybody for sticking the video out with me. If you've braved watching the whole thing, the whole series tonight. These like I said, these real-time videos are not scripted at all. I don't know what I'm gonna say from day to day and doing these things. Throat gets a little hoarse when I do these real-time builds, and it has taken me all this time, so I mean, I didn't take a break other than to bust open another bag of Legos and sort through it, stretch my legs. That's about it. So now you really know how long it takes. I started at about 12 o'clock last night, and it's now about, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning, so roughly takes about 8 hours for this build. So you really got to have a little time on your hands to do a full Lego build straight through. But I'm dedicated to the art, so there we go. And this snaps right on in there. There we go. And looking at it, let me see something here. Okay, here goes the weird part. How this part goes in. Okay, see those parts there? They hook onto the bottom part of this set here. So we gotta flip this over, and they clip in there, right there and right there. So when I flip this over, it slides up in there, and this part's gotta close in around it. Now this is what makes it weird. You know, it's just one of those times where you just hope something doesn't pop loose on you. There you go. There's the top part, and as you can see, it drops down quite a bit. And once it goes in, it does pop up into place. I hope I'm right about that. I hope I didn't mess something up. Somehow it just looks weird. I gotta make sure I got this right, because it's just, it feels funky, like it's forcing its way in there. Gotta make sure, you know. It just, I don't remember it being like that. Then again, this model is awfully strange, the way it all fits together. And looking at this, I want to say real quick before I stick this together, let me look at this top part here. No, I guess not. Guess it fits right down on in there. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how this puppy locks in. Let's bring this around. It still feels a little strange underneath there. I don't remember it sitting in there like that. It feels kind of weird. But it locks in there pretty good when it locks in. There it goes. There we have it. There we go. Model 6211, folks. That is it. That is how it locks in there. Not bad, huh? Hopefully my video survived it. That is Model 6211 Star Destroyer. Real-time Lego set build, 8-hour build. I think it started at 12. I got 2 pieces left over, and I don't know where they go in this set. It's kind of tickling me, actually. I have 2 pieces missing out of it. But it's like building an engine. I'm sure anybody that's built an engine will know it. You always get left over with some pieces missing. So, I don't know where they go exactly. Not a big deal. That is it, though. That is Model 6211. Oh, there goes the flick-fire missiles. But as you can see, it's quite beefy. Now, if I'm right, this part should have locked down, and it did. And it's this little lever in the back here. When you pick this up, it unlocks it, and that's its locking mechanism. And you can open it up. See, I originally thought these pieces would go here, which I think I'm gonna put them there anyway. Hopefully everything fits, because it just looks like they should go there, you know? I don't know about you, but they just look like they need to go there. Hopefully it'll lock down on top of it. See if I'm wrong about it. But it looks right, don't it? And I had those 2 pieces missing from somewhere. And there it goes. It locked down in. Back opens up for the people to get in and out. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. And the flick fire missiles, you know, they flick out. They do. It's just it's a bit of a hassle to find them back here when I flick them out. So there you go. 6211. I think you can probably find them on eBay still. They're not that expensive. I think I bought this for a little over $100, 125, I believe. There's the front of it. Let me give you a front shot of it here. Not bad, huh? I wish it was the bigger Papa version of this, which Lego did put out. I gotta stop leaning it forward. Keep wanting to show the back end of it, but there we go. There it is in all its glory. Pop that back in there. Oh, I gotta put the shuttle back in, or the escape module back in it. So pull that off. Open this up. Get my escape pod in there. Close it back up. And down on it goes. Piece of cake, huh? There you go. 6211. A little over 8 hours to build. Had quite a few setbacks in the video, but that's that happens. And that's it. Beautiful Lego piece. Many options to put many fiber optic in there. If you push that hard enough in or flick it in, it will flick missile out the front. So, and that's the only flick fire in it. So, ta-da! Well, I want to thank everybody for sitting with me during this Lego build of 6211 Star Destroyer. Sorry to get a drink. I'm gonna try to do another set video. I'm gonna try to go with something along the line of the Rebel forces. I've been going along with the Imperial forces a lot lately, but I don't know. It's just because of the models I have. The ones I really like are the Imperial. But there you have it. Thanks for sticking with me, and come on back and watch more videos, read the reviews. I plan on doing a lot more to the site once I get it up and running better. Right now it's kind of in the transitional period of being fixed and being redone. So come on in, join me, sign up, tell your friends about it, tell your friends about it, spread the word. I'm looking for some people to come in and follow along what I do. And if you got any Lego Star Wars that you haven't seen a review for up on my site and want to share your experiences with, feel free to drop me a comment. I got a comment section on the bottom of my each page or each post. And there you have it. There is Star Destroyer 6211. Thanks for being on my site, and thanks for coming and watching my YouTube channel. And stick around. I got more to come. I've got a lot more Legos. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, and a Merry Christmas, and a very Happy New Year.